Leah Cook, Director of Communications here at Holiday World and Splash and Safari. Today I'm going to introduce you guys to a new treat coming to Holiday World in 2020 season, fried avocado. I'm going to add a disclaimer that I am definitely a make-it-up-as-you-go type of chef. My apologies if the recipe is a little bit off. First, cut the avocado in half, take out the pit, and scoop the insides out. Next, cut the avocado into small, fry-like pieces. After you're done prepping the avocado, you'll want to set up your dredging with flour on the left, eggs in the middle, and breadcrumbs filled with seasoning on your right. You can go one piece at a time or dredge in groups. Next, fill a skillet pan with vegetable oil. There should be enough that there's a small layer at the bottom. Turn the heat up to medium, maybe medium-high depending on your stove. You want the avocado to start sizzling once you put it in the pan. Put as much avocado in as you can and let it sit for a couple minutes. Once you've let the avocado sit a couple minutes, it's time to turn them over. Carefully go through the pan one by one, flipping each piece over. If the sides aren't golden brown yet, it's okay to turn it back over and wait another minute or two. You definitely want it to be nice and golden brown. For the sriracha aioli, my main ingredients here are minced garlic, mayonnaise, fresh lemon juice, sriracha, and salt and pepper. I always say to kind of follow your heart. If sriracha isn't your thing, or maybe you don't like things too spicy, you can always leave a little bit out and do less than I did, but I highly encourage it as a side for this dish. Thanks for cooking with me today. We hope you enjoy your fried avocado at home and on your next visit to Holiday World and Splash and Safari. Can't wait to see you.